Check it out. Most hate to see you up and smile when you can. Love you when they see you. Flip the script, you ain't around. It always good to tell. Oh, friend of what for real, recognize real as far as another way niggas go. You already know I never put it go, and patience is a virtue I don't have, just a casualty in fact. Best friend be the first one to stab you in the back. Just remember in conversation when they speaking about you. You ain't around, they do the same to you. The real be real, and the fake can never change. If you talk about it, be about it, always something you the same. I give you the real, I can't even put a price on the pain. I can't do it now, I can't do it, can't do it. With all this nigga fluid going through my brain. All these haters out here, man, bitch, quick to switch up. And your best friend in the cut, give a fuck about that money, get that paper, fuck a hater. Only thing they running is a couple birds. All that bullshit is for the birds. It's for the birds. It's for the birds, nigga. It's for the birds. Couple hoes out there, what you done, nigga? You on my nerves. All that bullshit is for the birds. It's for the birds, for the birds, for the birds. All that bullshit is for the birds. For the birds, it's for the birds. Acting poppin' guns, talking about the shit, you know what's up. Did this since I was young. Niggas in the cut like a germ infection. Give a fuck, I hopped up off the porch, getting it out the play. I'm talking about whoop out the mud, get that dumb shit. Nigga, if you got the bread, get the low, get up out the calm shit. Talking about this, being doing it since I was a youngster in the hunger trying to make it. Gotta take it, easy up, niggas faking. But then again, I'm still up in the cut. I'm talking about that real shit, I heat it up, I still the birds, I'm talking about the birds. I heat it up, you know what's up. I'm thirsty, gotta quench the thirst, you know what's up. Same color as a shirt, drop it in the pot to make it bounce back, double up. Got the money, get that paper, fuck a hater on keep it running. Get a couple birds and all that bullshit. It's for the birds, it's for the birds, it's for the birds, it's for the birds. Couple hoes out there, shit blunt, quick to stun, nigga beat it, calm his nerves. And all that bullshit is for the birds, it's for the birds, for the birds. It's for the birds. It's for the birds. You can miss me with that bullshit, catch it to the curb. And if you ain't listening, then you ain't heard nothing that I said. We ain't playing games. Heat it up, turn your $5 into some change. But I use it, it's my advantage to get a challenge out the bar. Shotgun got some out the dollar, watch the ball. Coming up, playing kitty up. I got this stick, nigga, 50 on the ball, kitty up. Leave a nigga lined in, child. Got that money, that paper, fuck a hater. Only thing they running is a couple birds. And all that bullshit is for the birds. For the birds, for the birds, for the birds. Couple hoes, side bitch in a blunt. Quick to stunt, nigga need to calm my nerves. Yeah, and all that bullshit is for the birds. Looney T, nigga, 2018, out here.
Hi, Reggie.
Young Loon, young